Hey everybody, I can teach you guitar in 5 minutes. At least I'm going to try. So if you will commit yourself to these videos and do it the way I'm telling you to, I really believe that with a minimal amount of time spent, you can learn to play guitar. You can teach yourself. All right, just a little bit of credibility. I played professionally here in Nashville for 10 years, and I've taught a lot of people how to play. I love music. I love playing guitar and some of the other instruments that I dabble with. But my passion is teaching. I love to see people get it. So we're gonna see if we can make this happen. Okay, let's get right down to it. So we're gonna learn 3 chords, the 3 best chords to learn, the 3 most important chords that you can apply to so many popular songs. 3 chords, all it takes. Okay, so let's do this. G. We're going to start with the key of G. We're going to start with the chord G. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do this. First, take your pinky, put it on the 3rd fret, 1st string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strings. 1st string. Put your pinky right behind the fret, right about in there. Let's have that thumb back here at least a little ways. I mean, I'm not going to be a stickler for you to have it perfectly back there, but whatever's comfortable and works best for you so that you can articulate your fingers correctly, okay? So, over here, and then I want that 3rd finger on the 3rd fret on the 6th string, okay? And then we're going to take your middle finger and on the 2nd fret, okay? 2nd fret, 5th string, right behind it. Here we go, okay? Everybody see that? Good. So here we go. There's G. Now, I've been playing 40 years, about 38 years, I guess. So, I've done this for a long time. You're not going to be able to make it sound like this right off the bat. But know that if you take the time that it takes to do this and you keep working at it, you will finally get where you can play this, okay? So don't beat yourself up, take your time, and do take time to try to make every note. See, I've got that one where my fingers kind of, so what I'm going to do is readjust that finger where I can hear all the notes ring out. It's important to teach yourself that way first, okay? If you develop bad habits right off the bat, then they're going to stick with you and you'll have to relearn. So you want everything to sound out, okay? You want everything to sound nice and pure, at least to begin with, okay? There may be times you want to mute later down the line, but right now, let's make them sound out. Here's C, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, okay? Then this one will be 2nd fret, 4th string. Your G string, that's going to be open. Then your B string, which is the 2nd string, you're going to have it fretted 1st finger on the 1st fret. Your 1st string is going to be open. There's C. Do not play this note, or I've got a little technique that I can use that I push the meat of my finger goes against it and mutes it, so I can play like that. But the best thing to do is just learn to focus on these 4 strings. If you hit this one every once in a while, great, it's okay. Try not to hit that one because it just doesn't really, it isn't part of the chord, okay? It's going to sound kind of muddy. So let's concentrate here, okay? Now we're going to learn D. So that's going to be 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, okay? 1st finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret. Here we go. There's D. You've just learned 3 chords, okay? Enjoy the time. See me again on my next video and we'll go over some rhythm.